In this video, I'll show you how to free up space using Google Photos settings on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Free Up Space on this device. Google Photos will scan your device and identify photos and videos that have already been backed up to your Google account. Once the scan is complete, you'll see how much storage space can be freed up on your device. Tap Free Up to remove the local copies of the backed up photos and videos from your phone. If prompted, tap Allow to confirm and continue the process. Don't worry, your backed up photos and videos will remain safely stored in Google Photos and can be accessed anytime through your Google account. Using the Free Up Space feature is a quick and easy way to recover storage without losing your backed up memories. That's it. You have successfully freed up space using Google Photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.